Hey people, this particular video is very special simply since I, like, from the bottom of my heart, I want to thank this one friend, Sirisha, who's, she happens to follow my channel and we've never met, but it's there are some people that even without you having met them, uh, it's like they have the power to change your life. you know this this is true in the case of celebrities and all. So for me, Sirisha is almost like a celebrity because she was so kind enough to leave a comment yesterday. I mean, in the uh, that's what she was asking, how I'm doing, and the fact that she likes my videos because she feels like she's in Hyderabad watching them, because I think that video in a bus and then the one in the balcony and all. So really, Sirisha, thank you so much. And I have to say this, she's on my Facebook friends list also. And among the 1500, more than 1500 people I have on that list, friends list, she's the only one who's turned a vegan. Those of you all who are following my channel would know how much I try to promote this veganism, and like I've written an ebook on it also, which you can find in the description below in the link. But seriously, people, see, it's thanks to someone like Sirisha that the world will is moving towards a better space. I mean, if more people turn vegan, there won't be any of this, all these weird coronavirus and all. Is a vegetarian and a vegan diet will help change the world. So, Sirisha, thank you so much for your comments and messages and all, because it you don't know how much of an impact it makes on someone to get a very warm message saying that they like these videos. So as so on so as silly as this video might seem, it's made from the heart. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.